Island Max is live again. We're in Hopewell this time in Hanover, and we're on our way to, listen to this, we're on our way to Blenheim in Hanover, the birthplace of Jamaica's first Prime Minister. Is that so? Yes, man. Birthplace of Sir Alexander Bustamante. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing okay. This is Island Max. Ensure you subscribe to the channel. We show you beautiful locations like these. We take on the road, take on the journey, and show you the beauty of Jamaica. Blenheim, a beautiful small community there in Hanover. We're gonna go the direction of Lucy, Hanover, turn up on the Dias main road, and then head into Blenheim. That's the birthplace of Sir Alexander Bustamante. Yes, man. Jamaica's national hero. Alright, so we're gonna take on the road here, and let's see if we can get there in about what, half hour or so. Might be a little more, but we're gonna take on the road and show you what it's like, show you these beautiful places here in Jamaica. Listen, man, we post a lot of videos like these on the journey to beautiful locations in Jamaica. Jamaicans abroad, persons abroad who love Jamaica, or Jamaicans living in Jamaica who just haven't travel enough. This is the channel for you, Island Max. Ensure that you're subscribed, tap the like button, and leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. As we are exiting Hopewell, we're heading towards the gas station in Hopewell. Beautiful sunny day. We're expecting some rains in the afternoon, but I say I have to show you this location. Again, we're heading to Blenheim, passing now the Rubis gas station here in Hopewell. What do you know about Blenheim? Anybody watching this video familiar with that area? Ensure that you head to the comments. Big up your country, big up your community. We will soon be passing the old steamer beach on the right. This truck is kicking up a lot of stones. Can't travel too close. Oh, see that? I have to try to get around it safely. Alright, old steamer beach is on the right. Lovely beach to hang out, free beach. Just come and cool out. There are benches there. You can just go there and have a good time. See a school bus coming in the opposite direction there. Jamaica's new school bus. Yeah, man. Trust me, we did a video on it and that one went viral. Ensure that after this you check it out, man. School bus in Jamaica. Land here for sale again. Still is there. Beautiful. As we make our way now past the turn off for Flint River, a 50-kilometer zone. We're in Great Valley. This is a turnoff for Great Valley. And this is where you drive to go to Merlin Otti High School. One day I'm going to make a journey there so that you can see it. It's one of the least known high schools in Jamaica. We are here now in Trial as we pass the Trial clubs. Beautiful morning, man. If I should save some gas and turn off the AC and just cruise. Lovely Jamaican breeze. Nothing beats that, man. Just clean. No heap of pollution. You notice that Jamaica doesn't have a lot of the pollution like you'd find in the big cities. Big cities abroad. Jamaica is just nice. Trial here. As we exit now and enter Sandy Bay. Beautiful. Look how Jamaica beautiful, man. Look how the picture nice and clean. Make sure you tap that subscribe button. Sandy Bay Primary is on the left. You turn off from Montpellier in Hanover is on the left. Yes, there's a Montpellier in Hanover, Sandy Bay, as well as in St. James. Stay in your lane, my brother, stay in your lane. Alright, Sandy Bay now. Take the time here. I don't know if I cover the pothole properly. Yeah, we're good to go. Take our time here. Anybody from Sandy Bay, big up your little town, your little community in the comments, man. Sandy Bay. Trucker is on the right. it's a truck causing the traffic. Kenilworth is on the left. That's Jaja. JUTC bus park up on the left. Need some water. Where's my water bottle? Take our time through these parts. Road rough. In Hanover, some parts they can't pick up the radio.
To the question of the morning, staying is never, in such a situation, staying is never a good decision. But then, what I find is that a lot of people don't go into marriages knowing what are their deal breakers. You have to know what are your deal breakers before you go into a marriage.
Oh, they might talk about marriage.
What are the things you never...
But we're heading to Blenheim. That's where we're going. Blenheim. Let them go and talk. We're gonna go up Dias Main Road. Big up Kingsvale, big up all of those areas up in that area. Green, they call it again, Greenland. Truck is laden with stones. I have to look out for the stones falling from it. Ah boy. Jamaica, man. Tell you about Jamaica. But we love it. Can we go? Can we? We going? Ah, we made it. approaching Grand Palladium. Lucy. Construction ahead. Always around here, so you have to look out for them. That's the one in the corner there. One more right here. One and three of them. Boy. Come go across the road. Hurry up. Catch me. The pothole they catch me, man. Never too deep though. That's what happens when you're driving these Jamaican roads, man. So we're in Lucy. Let's make the left turn on the Dias main road. Alright, here they call it keep left. Wow. I need to fix that hole ASAP. That digging out there. Hot in here now. Need the AC again. Unedited drive. We're on the Dias main road. I think they call here so Greenland. Watch it, biker boy. You have Dry Hill, Rose Hill, Canaan. We'll see as we continue up. Beautiful Hanover, man. Just green and just nice. Feels so homely. Alright, this is Greenland. You can drive there, go over to Scenic. Who know those areas? New Testament Church of God on the left. We're in an area known as Middlesex. Did you know that? There's a place with that name in Jamaica. I'm not talking the county, you know. An actual community, and this is the primary school. Martin Castle. All of these places, man, nice. Look at the view here. Wow. Lot of corners, man. As we are heading closer to the birthplace of Jamaica's first Prime Minister, Alexander Bustamante. Look at the road, man. We feel like we're driving into 1980. And here it is. Look at it in all its glory. Blenheim, the Right Excellent Sir Alexander Bustamante. This is his birth home. It's a national symbol. It says Blenheim, birthplace of the Right Excellent Sir Alexander Bustamante, KTPC GBE National Hero, first Prime Minister of Jamaica, born February 24, 1884. Passed away August 6, 1977. Endorsed by TPDCO and other organizations. Just beautiful. Look at it, man. It's just lovely. A beautiful spot for a Jamaican icon. Wow, look at it. Jamaican flag flies high. And we have successfully made it here in Blenheim to the birthplace of Jamaica's first Prime Minister, Alexander Bustamante. This is Blenheim in all its glory. Just me, I feel like I just went back in time. Just look at the road, man. A lot of history is here. Can feel the energy in this place. Rustic, but just feels homely. Again, if you have any fun, what are your fondest memories of this place here, let me know. Again, do remember to tap that subscribe button and like the video. Share the video with a friend. Let them know Island Max does videos on everywhere in Jamaica. Bless up everybody as we make our way back out of Blenheim. Baptist Church right here on the right. Take our time through these roads. Yes, Jaja. Love journeying through these places, man. This is what it means to be a Jamaican. I remember coming to a party. Was it a party or or something down here back in the day? It was just good vibes, man. Insane good vibes. Island vibes. Thank you so much for tuning in. We have made it out of Blenheim and we're back in Dias. Thank you so much for watching. Tap on the video now, seeing on the screen. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.